Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To have lunch.
Öğle yemeği yemek.
To rest.
Dinlenmek.
To exercise.
Egzersiz yapmak.
To cook.
Pişirmek.
To have dinner.
Akşam yemeği yemek.
To watch TV.
Televizyon izlemek.
To read a book.
Kitap okumak.
To go shopping.
Alışveriş yapmak.
To go home.
Okula gitmek.
To go to bed.
Yatmaya gitmek.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.